We are at the Texas Chainsaw Massacre filming location house. It is closed, but this is what was here at one time. This house was moved from the original location to here. This is a nice area, though. You know that? The filming location on this porch. Closed. And through those doors back there is where Leatherface would have came out. And up these steps. Oh my. She jumped out the window there and fell down, running from Leatherface and the family. But this is actually a very nice community here. You got like train cars and everything else over there, cabooses. This is a very nice little area. So let's see what else is around here. A what sign? That's okay. Well, win some and you lose some. Maybe next time, Texas. Maybe. Here we are at the Baghdad Cemetery, filming location for the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. This is the opening scenes where the corpse was on the tombstone that morning. Let's find out where the actual spot is, shall we? It appears nothing has been going right with this Texas Chainsaw Massacre filming location that I've wanted to do since I was 4 years old. Now, let's see. Let's film a little bit here. Location. Let's see. But this is the actual filming location I'm going to try to get to. A little bit difficult to. And this would have been the point where the trees have grown up a little bit around here. Somewhere right around here, I think. Sorry that you aren't able to hear me, but they are right around. Might have been on this pole on this side, or this one, I think. But we're just doing a little bit of filming location history here. Getting a little bit Craven? Wes? And this could be the wrong spot altogether, but I don't think so. And there's the gazebo. Get possibly one more angle here. Well, right here is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2003 filming location. This is the gas station used in the movie. Now let me back up a little bit. I'm not getting out here because there's really, I don't even know if we're supposed to be here. Oh, shoot. So this is it. Like I said, don't even know if we're supposed to be here. It's closed on Sundays anyway. You saw it, didn't you?
Yeah.
So this is the 2003 location of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Here we are at the final Texas Chainsaw Massacre place that we have. The old gas station used in the 1974 Classic. And over there is the van. They walk down this strip right here. Coming out this door. Oh, look. The wind's blowing eerily away. Overlooking this. This concludes our Texas Chainsaw Massacre filming locations that we could not get into anything today.